Hi, George Williams, founder and CEO of Reliability X, and we are on our second of our video series on just some quick win opportunities. Our first video was on alarms. If you want to watch that video, please feel free to do so. It's an awesome video. Next up, today we're going to talk about event rates. What is an event rate? In most CMMS systems, we're not tracking down to minutes, and so a true mean time between failure is a little bit difficult to grasp. And just because I'm a stickler on terminology and how those things are calculated, we're going to consider this event rate. Event rate being total time divided by the number of failures. That tells me how much time on average it takes for me to have some type of an event. And I can run a Pareto analysis on the equipment or actual assets that tell me which ones I'm visiting the most often. Those are usually good candidates for a root cause failure analysis. Why am I continually going to the same assets over and over and over again? We do an analysis of the data, figure out what hopefully we're using failure codes, and if we are, we can do some root cause failure analysis on the components that are failing or the issues that we're having that are causing maintenance to respond. The output of that root cause failure analysis should be some action items. We take those action items and implement them, and suddenly our event rates change. And that's how we get better. Awesome. Hit that like button, hit subscribe. We'll see you next time. Go make tomorrow better than today.